Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenevec, along with Carol Massar. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move. Today, we're joined by Bloomberg Television Markets correspondent Nora Melinda. What's on your radar?
Well, let's take a look at Disney shares because they did end lower by about 7% at the closing bell. This is ticker DIS. We did see a growth forecast for the current period that disappointed a lot of Wall Street analysts. The company also said that it expects challenges attracting international tourists to its domestic parks. So you did see that also weighing on sentiment a little bit, but also the company warned of ongoing increased costs to sports rights. Barclays did say that the key to valuation recovery for this company will be attendance recovery in parks and operating leverage in streaming.
All right. What about Oracle?
Oracle shares, ticker ORCL, shares down by about 2.75%. That's the lowest level since May that we saw at the closing bell. It plans to raise as much as $50 billion this year to build out cloud infrastructure capacity. But of course, you've been releasing a lot of concerns on Wall Street about the tech space more broadly and whether or not some of these companies are taking on more debt than is needed, or also just the idea as to whether or not they're maybe over-promising in comparison to what they're able to deliver here. So you're definitely seeing that, of course, weighing on the company Oracle here.
One in the aftermarket, Palantir, ticker PLTR, it's up about 7% here in the aftermarket.
Just surging. A blowout earnings report that we saw from Palantir. Of course, we did see 2026 revenue forecast that significantly topped expectations across Wall Street. We did see that the fourth quarter revenue grew 70% to $1.4 billion. This is all despite the company's accelerating revenue. Shares are still down 29% though from November's peak. So
right.
Interesting when you kind of look at the share action more broadly.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.